Melton, Lightning Bolt Lord Melton, that's me. Skyscraper son of a Carpenter Mary. I think I growing a new pair of eyes. I'll get to that in a moment. But yeah, Gold wanted to wear a mask this Halloween, so I got him a mask. Pirate iPads, I may have to see. I got black duct tape. There we go. Used to be all dark brown, slowly but surely doing a little carpentry work as the son of Carpenter Mary. That carpentry worked on skyscrapers. Mom, Mary Ann. And yeah, he wants to be able to make folks roll the plank. I'll see what I can do.